Thought I'd do a video just showing you where we are on the house. This is probably not easy to know, but we're on the back side. There's the carriage house, here's the tree. And down there is where it fell, the big one. It fell last year. And this is where it hit the roof right there, and we repaired that. So I just finished cleaning up because I was taught early on, the first job, the job's not done until cleanup's done. So I try to do that, I can't say all the time, but in this situation it wasn't too hard because I have an area right there for my tools, right just inside the door. By the way, this is a roof I did years ago. One of my maybe second time doing a slate area, maybe a full slate area. Did do the cottage over there. You can see a corner of it right there. But what I did here was I tried a bunch of different shapes, and I love it. Looks really cool, different colors. And then down here I even got a little crazier. Not much light right now, but that one's really cool too. So the slate is awesome. I love it. It's just so cool. And these are good and thick. I mean, these should last a long time. Hopefully they do. And we have all these I've been piling up. These are the old ones. It's kind of dark, but we're not be able to see them. Okay, so here's where we're at, and picked up, and we're going to take these down and put them in got an area, kind of like a patio area where I'm putting them. Okay, let's call it a night. It's getting dark pretty fast now.